Good. Hello and welcome to the Southeast Idaho planning briefing for March 4th, 2020. And first, our little summary here. We are expecting some very light snow for the northern mountains and highlands today and this evening. Temperatures starting on Thursday and Friday will be as much as 10 to 15 degrees warmer than normal for this time of year as we're under sunshine. And then there's some more impactful snow expected starting Saturday morning. This is a current satellite image. You can see this area of low pressure up in here with the cloudiness, and that is going to brush our area. Again, it's mostly on the northern end for places, say, north of Chalice, and areas definitely north of, say, Rexburg or St. Anthony, where there'll be any sort of snow accumulation. And so this is the overview. We're just looking at light snow that will not amount to much. There are very few areas that would even get to 1 inch of snow, much less a half an inch. And so that mostly means in the central Idaho mountains, again, the northern end, which would be South Lemhi County, and the eastern highlands, which would include Victor, Driggs, and Island Park, as well as basically our whole Montana border. And then a couple days of sunshine here. Temperatures in the Snake River Plain will be solidly in the 50s for afternoon highs, give you an idea of how warm it will be. And that is, again, 10 to 15 degrees above normal. On Saturday, rain and snow return. We are looking for it mostly to be rain in the Snake Plain and the Magic Valley. And I give some rain and snow elevation breaks right in here. And really, you can look at these being at the low end at the start of the day. They will peak in the afternoon along with the daytime heating. And then on Saturday night, they will once again fall pretty sharply as cold air comes in behind. And so they will be approximately this, but most of the rain and snow will be done. And then on Sunday, we are looking for a chance of some rain and snow in some of these places like the Snake Plain and Magic Valley. The only place that has a guarantee of some measurable snow would be the South Hills and the Southeast Highlands and the Eastern Highlands. It might be some upper level or upper elevation snow in the central Idaho mountains. But again, most of that should actually be above pass level, maybe a dusting at places like Galena Summit. So let's see how this evolves. First of all, the temperatures. You can see we are looking for temperatures solidly in the 40s and 50s for most of the lower Snake River Plain and the Eastern Magic Valley. But again, the snow cover and this persistent northwest flow we have has been keeping the cold air trapped in the northern end of the Snake River Plain, and Idaho Falls will struggle to be 39 degrees today. But you can see widespread 30s in most of the highland and mountain locations, and doesn't change a whole lot over the next couple days. You can see once again it's maybe slightly higher, about 2 to 4 degrees, and another 2 to 4 for Friday, as places like Pocatello, American Falls, and you see Burley, we have a forecast high of 63. The only really significant winds, they still aren't very much. We're looking at 20 to 25 mile an hour winds for the next couple of afternoons in the Snake River Plain, Eastern Magic Valley. You can see the locations here for this evening with that accompanying trough of low pressure as it slides across to our north. Here's how the snowfall will evolve. It should start out this morning. You can see less than an inch accumulation, pretty much places like Island Park, maybe 1 to 2 inches in some of the extreme high elevations. And again, a little bit during the afternoon in more or less the same locations, the Lemhi County area, and then our northeast corner here in eastern Idaho. And here's where it pretty much ends. By midnight, it should be over. Just some light snow left over in the extreme high elevations. And so this is the amount through midnight. So this would be basically our 24-hour snowfall totals or storm totals for this event. And you can see 1 to 2 inches. It's pretty high up. Doesn't look like it'll affect any of the major passes through the area. Most of those pass locations will be getting 1/10 to 1 inch of snow. And then just here's a heads up for Saturday. This is for the 12-hour period. We are going to be very warm, and so again, it's a rain snow event, especially for places from Idaho Falls, say southward. So during the day on Saturday, this is as much as we're going to be getting. You can see 2 to 3 inches in the central Idaho mountains, where it'll be coming in from the west, and so it gets its earliest start there. And elsewhere, it really doesn't get going really good until Saturday evening and overnight Saturday night. And the snow will continue into Sunday, and temperatures will turn colder with the colder air behind the cold front that moves through on Saturday night. And so the snow will be a little bit more widespread, but it'll be tough to get any sort of snow at the low elevations in Pocatello, American Falls, and the Burley area. So again, we're just looking for some very light snow today for some limited locations. Temperatures 10 to 15 degrees warmer than normal for Thursday and Friday as we get lots of sunshine. And again, look out on Saturday. Some light snow, more impactful, but still not a serious threat. That's all I have. If you have any further questions, you can always contact us at this telephone number. Check out the weather yourself at weather.gov/Pocatello, or you can email us at this email address. Thanks for watching.